Good afternoon, everyone. It was almost exactly 10 months to the day that Lou and I were here under very different circumstances. Back then in March, within a 48-hour period, we had been notified of 7 positive cases of COVID here at the Jack Satter House on Revere Beach. And we knew that we had to act quickly to prevent a truly catastrophic situation. We worked closely with public health experts to inform our actions. And I have to say that asking these residents to not leave their apartments for 7 weeks was one of the most painful and difficult decisions that I've had to make throughout this pandemic. But as they always do, our residents, they stepped up, they trusted us, they had faith in themselves and each other to do what was needed to stop the spread of the virus. And in their actions, they showed resilience, unbelievable compassion, and courage. And I have no doubt that the actions that these residents took saved lives. So with that, it's truly a joy to be here today. The relief that I think we're all waiting for, I know has arrived at Jack Satter House. And I know that today makes us feel hopeful about the future. I want to thank Lou. I want to thank his team, especially Steve, the management and staff at the Jack Satter House for all that they've done to support our residents. And I also want to thank our own Elder Services Department that has been in constant contact with the management here to provide any help or services that the city could provide, whether it was a ride, a grocery delivery, or just a friendly voice on the other end of the phone. And before I kick it over to Lou, I want to offer my deepest condolences to the families and the loved ones who were lost to this virus. We've had 135 residents in the City of Revere lost to this virus, including some from the Jack Satter community. With that, I will turn it over to Lou. And Lou, thank you for all the support that you've provided and everything that you've done for our residents. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Mayor. So my name is Lou Woolf. I'm the president and CEO of Hebrew SeniorLife. And Hebrew SeniorLife has about 2,500 seniors living in 6 different communities around the Commonwealth. And what Mayor Arrigo said was absolutely true. Revere was one of the very first places in the Commonwealth where the virus struck, and the rapid action that the mayor took with the cooperation of the residents here was absolutely crucial to the well-being of the residents. And I would say not only was it crucial to the residents here, but we as an organization were able to take the quick action of Mayor Arrigo and use that as a role model in other communities in the Commonwealth and go to other towns and say, this is what they're doing in Revere. This is what they're doing to keep the residents safe. Shouldn't we be doing that here too? And it really allowed us to step up and act much quicker in other communities as well. So I not only want to thank Mayor Arrigo for the impact that he had in the City of Revere and the Jack Satter House, but how much he helped us set an example across the Commonwealth. It was a very, very difficult decision to have people, not leave their apartments for 7 weeks and all the restrictions we've had for the last 10 months. But the last 9 months, we have had nobody at the Jack Satter House succumb to this virus, and so much of that, and really limiting the impact in those first 3 weeks was also very much because of the quick action of Mayor Arrigo. So It's been a great partnership, and this is a great day. It's a great day to see 270 people vaccinated today between staff and residents, and but no one should feel as though that's a magic bullet either, and we still have to stay vigilant and move forward carefully. But it's a real red letter day for us, and we're really appreciative of the great partnership we've had together. Thank you.